So Sankesh, welcome to Curious Academy. You have been here for 2.5 months and you are learning how to speak fluently. And we are going to discuss something here in this lecture. So I would like to ask you that how do we take the decision, Sankesh?
Decision, it means uh, we used to think about before you take a decision. uh, for example, in my family, if I'm younger, so I need to take decisions, or there are situations where you need to take decisions. So it's all depend upon a situation. Okay, what's the situation is. Okay. And yeah, we used to think whether it's going to help you, or whether it's going to uh, you know harmful, or it's not for helpful for you. So yeah, in this situation, we are taking a decision in two ways. One is positive and one is negative. So yeah,
Okay.
this is all about this.
In what situation how we behave?
Yeah, it's all about the situation is there are different type of situation where you have to be behave like what the situation is going on. So sometimes we are having situation like family problems, or we are in problem. So at that moment, we used to feel we are not used to feel, I mean, we are not feeling happy, and we used to feel as sad. And yeah, we in that situation we used to think, and we worried about what's the next happening, or what the thing is going on in your you know life, I can say, or in that particular situation. So uh, yeah, when you are having a situation like you are in problem, or some family is suffering from some issues. So that time we used to feeling bad. And one situation where we are happy, so that time we are not used to think about, and we are not worried about. So there are different type of situations where we need to behave. We are automatically we are behaving what the situation is at that time. So yeah, it's all about situation. So many times we are facing problems, and even you have some moments, happy moments, that not making you happy actually, because in another hand you have another side, you have difficulties, I can say, or you have situation like you can't feel happy. Yes, that's it.
uh, Sankesh, how we become happy in our life?
Uh, yes. So for happiness, first of all, you need to find out, what can make you happy. Okay, and yeah, there are having a lot of activities which can make you, happy. So first of all, do whatever you want. Okay, and do what makes you happy. So sometimes, we are playing games, and sometimes there are having different type of activities like social medias. So some are happy with making some reels, and some are happy with they are happy with some social blogs, and some are there are there are having peoples who actually having different type of mindset. So there are peoples who actually feel happy when they helping to each other, or they when they are helping to each other, so they used to feel happy at that time. And there are people who actually feeling happy uh, to in social works, and social works as well. Some people's some people's used to feel happy with their education, and uh, spend time with their family, and spending timing with friends, that will make you make you happy. And yeah, so basically you have to do what what can makes you happy, so that you need to do. Okay, if you you are if you are not no, that's it, sir.
Okay. Sankesh, do you feel that spending a time with friends is valuable?
Yeah, sometimes, because when we are in difficulties, you know so that time, every time we can't share our thoughts with our family, right? So at that time, friends helping to you, because we are sharing our we can share with everything with our families. Okay, so we are talking with friends, and we are sharing our thoughts with them, and we are taking their opinion, uh, and yeah. So at that time, they are helpful for us, and they are actually helping to get it out from our problem. So yeah, sometimes we have to spend time with friends. We have to give time to friends, because that is also most important part. So yeah, I can say it is most important, because if you are not if you are busy in your schedule, and you are not giving time to your friends, and when you are in difficulties, and you are just ignoring them, and you are in difficulties, at that time you are uh, asking them to help you. So they are not going to help you. So yeah, friends is most important for our life, because we used to uh, feel with them, we used to enjoy with them, right? So yeah, they are important.
So, Sankesh, uh, sometimes we feel that friends are useless. They are not sharing good with us. They are not see their future. They are just doing time pass. So that kind of friends, mostly we have such kind of friends. So what do you think about them?
So yeah, there are people who actually wasting their time as well and our time as well. So yeah, there are people in circle who actually they are not thinking about their futures, and yeah, they used to like just do the party, and let's I mean just enjoy. So yeah, about that, friends, we are sharing good thoughts with them, and we are trying to uh, share good things, and what can help you to make your future bright. So yeah, in this type of friends actually having in circle, and actually talking about them. So automatically our bonding is not like other friends. So automatically bonding is going to reduce with them, because they're having a different kind of mind, and we having different kind of mind.